Hello, and welcome to the library's tutorial on how to use the library's new website. The library recently launched a new website at the beginning of the year in 2024. We are excited to share some new features and how to navigate our new website. Let's get started. To get to the library's homepage, use the URL library.webster.edu. On the homepage, you will see we have some new features. One new feature is a message banner. As I'm recording this video, our message banner reads, "Welcome to our new website. Notice a problem? Please use this form to let us know." We are still working out some of the bugs, and reporting an issue will help us fix any errors we have yet caught. This banner also can be used to let everyone know of the library closures or any other important information. You can click the X in the upper right-hand corner to close the message banner if you wish for it to disappear. If you are an international student, use the navigational tab at the top of your screen that reads International Libraries. This will have an alphabetical list of the International Webster libraries. Select your campus to direct you to a library homepage tailored to your library campus. You will find information such as building hours, contact information, and your own search box that provides you with the materials available to you at your specific campus. Another new feature is the Get Help box next to the search box. The Get Help box will allow you to quickly find information if you need help with research or any other library questions. The first icon is the 24/7 chat icon. If you click on this, it will direct you to a chat box where you can live chat with the real librarian anytime, anywhere. Note that the information is St. Louis Webster Groves Library building specific. On the library's new homepage, we have a new search box with some new search features. If you have an assignment that asks for scholarly journals, you now can simply check the box that reads peer-reviewed scholarly articles only. This search box does not work like a Google search though, so do not type a sentence into this box, but instead type in keywords or phrases related to your research topic. Another feature I suggest using is to use the drop-down menu beside the search box. It asks if you're searching for everything, articles, ebooks, or videos. If you select everything, this search does mean everything. It will include videos, books from the catalog, ebooks, and pull information from most of the library's databases. As an example, I used the search term international relations. In one search, I left the default everything, which generated over 13 million search results. But when I selected articles in the drop-down menu, the search generated a little over 1 million search results. A tip I have for using the search box is to use the word "and" when you combine two search terms. In this example, I typed in the phrase generations in the workplace versus generations and workplace to show the difference. So while the search box is a useful tool to quickly begin your research, I advise you to search within a specific database that is related to your research topic. You can find a specific database by selecting either the database button or the research guide button located on the search box. The database button directs you to the articles and database page. On this page, you can either use the drop-down menu to locate the database you want, select the database A to Z button for an alphabetical list of the databases the library offers, or you can select your subject area from a list below. Once you select your subject area, it directs you to a page where it provides you with the best databases to use for your specific subject. This list has been curated by your subject librarian, whose contact information is also available on that page. The Research Guides button directs you to the Research Guides page. This page allows you to search for course guides and program guides. If you select a program guide, like in my example, I selected cybersecurity, it should look something like this. The guide provides information related to the area of study. For example, best databases to use, and specifically how to find articles, books, and other resources related to your subject. On the left side of the screen, there is a navigational box that allows you to quickly navigate the guide and your subject librarian's contact information. Your subject librarian is a valuable resource that can assist you in your research assignments. Once you select a database you wish to access, it is important to note that the library has a new sign-on feature. Instead of entering in your last name and Webster ID number like before, we now have a single sign-on that links with connections. This makes for a more seamless user experience. To find full text for an article you found in a database, you will more than likely notice one of these three icons below the article. The PDF full text article means that the library has access to that article for you to view right now, and you simply have to click on the PDF full text icon. If you see the full text finder icon, that informs you that the library does have access to that article, just not in the database you're currently using. If you click on the full text finder, you will be directed to the article. If you see the request via interlibrary loan ILLiad icon, that means the library does not have access to the article. If you click on the link, it directs you to a form you may fill out to request the article. Once you request an article, it may take 2 to 3 business days for the article to be sent to your Webster email address. This concludes my tutorial on how to use the library's new website. If you have any questions or concerns, reach out to us in any of the ways that is shown in the Get Help box at library.webster.edu. Happy researching!